We're here at the Costco cafeteria. Let's get a chicken bake. Go ahead, scan it, baby. Thank you. There's 2 chicken bakes left. I'm gonna grab it this time. I'm gonna hold on to it, okay, baby? Come on. We ain't dropping it this time. Be careful, it's gonna be really hot, baby, okay? Oh, it's super hot. We gotta let it cool down, okay? Come here. I gotta tell you something.
No.
You can try your chicken bake, baby. Don't worry, this part's not hot.
Huh?
Yeah. Uh-oh. I've never had a chicken bake so fresh. It literally came out of the oven.
No what?
Thin,
No.
kind of thin today. Uh-oh, it's for Judy. It's 11 bucks off. I think she likes this stuff. Let me actually call her up and ask. Call Judy the beauty.
Hi, honey.
Uh-oh, there's Olay Pro Advanced Regenerist Complex Hydrating Moisturizer. You know the thing in a red bottle?
Yeah, the red jar.
It's $11 off right now.
Mommy.
Do you use that?
I mean, I haven't used it in several years, but that's a good deal. Wait, can you let Leah just quickly...
Okay, here. What do you want to say, babe?
It's so rainy. You need to bring your daddy's cow.
Yeah, she's just saying it's raining a lot. Okay, honey, so for 2 bottles, it's normally $46, and right now it's $35. Is it worth it?
Well, I'll tell you, I don't need it, but
Okay.
that is a good deal.
Should I buy it or not? I just don't know. I was just offering since it is on sale. It's an on sale item.
Okay, no.
Okay, no. Okay.
Batteries?
Oh, okay. Okay, put it in the cart, baby.
She should be the next commercial.
Oh, she totally should. Okay, honey. All right. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, love you.
Bye. Okay, so Auntie Mel was saying she needs batteries because these girls use all her batteries up and it just happens to be on sale. So bonus. Okay, we're gonna get AA for Auntie Mel. Okay, you think Auntie Mel would want this size as well? I think so. There we go. We got AA's, AAA's, and it's the Duracell brand. So, okay, let's move on. Come on, baby. By the way, konnichiwa. So I'm here at Costco, and today I'm looking to stock up on some items because I heard they're gonna be raising prices, and not just on the imported stuff that have the tariffs. Rumor on the street is the retail businesses are gonna have to raise prices on everything to kind of like even things out. You can't just jack up the price. What is this? It's a shed, baby. It's crazy that they just sell these kind of things here at the front of Costco. We don't need this, baby? I agree with you. Okay, get back on the cart. Let's go. You know, I've been looking out for these price raises for a while now, and I haven't seen anything go up in price significantly, but I heard they're starting. So I'm looking to stock up on a few things. So they have a sale on Tupperware right now, and look at this. A Disney Pyrex set. And it's, what is this guy called? What's his name?
Lilo Kitty.
What is it? Lilo and Stitch? Oh, wait. Don't grab that one. Hello Kitty Pyrex. So we actually have that, funny enough. And we use it a lot. I like it because it is glass. So normally I don't go down the middle aisle because that's where all the temptations are. But there are a few things that are on sale that I want to check out. And a new cooking appliance. So let's go check that out. Oh, look at this. This is kind of a cool thing. Mortar and pestle. This is not like the traditional molcajete. Oh my gosh. I don't need this because we have one that attaches a KitchenAid, but I totally would have bought this a year ago. Instead, I spent, I think, $600, $500 on the fancy KitchenAid that I do use once in a while. I know we have that, baby. There's a lot of stuff that we got here. She's back in the cart eating the chicken bake. All right, we got a list. Sandwich meat, milk, tortillas, avocado, sweet chili sauce. I highly doubt they have that. We got the batteries, juice, and lots of fruit. We're gonna start with the grapes. 3 pounds of green grapes, $9.
I want purple one.
Well, the purple ones? You'd rather have the purple ones? These green ones are really good though. What if we got both? Yeah, you and your sisters love these grapes. Look at these. These are cheaper. $7 for these red grapes. All right, let's see how they are. Seem pretty good. Red grapes as requested, okay? It's fruit, so. This is probably the one thing I definitely think has gone up in price. 5 avocados, $11, conventionally grown, by the way, not organic. I swear I remember avocados being way cheaper back in the day. When I say back in the day, just like even a year ago. We have friends in Mexico that have told me that groceries down there are getting out of control. Look at this, cherries are in season right now. Look pretty good, though they will look better and bigger here soon. Where are these from? These are from California. Soon enough, Washington will grow them. These Fuji apples, I guess, are really popular. Let's see what they got down here. Looking okay. Grab these though. Still same price, $1.99 a pound for these organic Fuji apples. Smoothie? Ice cream? Okay. So today I was gonna reward this girl because she's been on pretty good behavior lately. I never buy the ice cream here at the Costco food court. So today we're gonna get ice cream for the first time. And what kind of ice cream specifically?
Strawberry, my favorite.
Strawberry, your favorite? That's also Daddy's favorite too.
It's cold like a hot.
Oh yeah, they got they got mattresses here. Bananas, same price still. 3 pounds, $2.50. A lot of bananas for $2.50. What?
Apple.
Mickey Mouse apples. No, we got Fuji apples today.
I'm not cold.
You're not cold? Tough girl. I've said this many times this season, but raspberry quality at Costco is on point. I don't know if there's a new technique for growing them, but they're big, they're juicy, and they're firm. Do you like the raspberries? Have you been? Oh, you do like them. Okay, don't drop them, baby. Jeez Louise. Okay, they actually survived that. See, normally they're soft and squishy and just kind of messy and they get smushed, but these ones are actually looking really good. And bonus, organic. You want strawberry, Sue? How can I say no to that cutie pie? Cutie pie, honey bunch. You know that I love you. Well, I think these ones look pretty good. Oh, down here? I don't know. We gotta look. Gotta look for the good ones. Let's look down here. Let's see. Is this it? Is this the winner? There we go. Looking good. 2 pounds, $8. That's a good deal, baby. I think that's enough fruit. We're not gonna do a lot of vegetables today. Only ones I'm gonna get. We're definitely gonna get broccoli, girl. Fresh ones down below. These are the good ones. $5.25, $5.9. Okay, here we go.
It's yummy.
Tell me, does that make you proud if your kid loves broccoli? I'm winning. I'm winning big time. Hey, did I ever tell you I love you? Did I ever tell you I love you, baby? Let's be calm. All right. Something we haven't done in a hot second.
5.
Costco croissants.
$7.
There's 12 of them in here for $7. This girl really wants her cinnamon rolls. One of my favorite things to do with a croissant is when it's 2 or 3 days old and it's starting to stiffen up and not be as soft, you cut it in half, put a little bit of butter right on that, open, exposed surface, pan fry it in a stainless steel pan with that butter on there, and it gets a crispy crust. Woo-hoo. Trust me, make a sandwich with that, you're gonna be in heaven. Remember when they used to have the variety pack of muffins and they were way bigger than you ever needed? Now their muffins are a more reasonable size. You get 8 of them for $6.99. If I get this, this is the only thing you're gonna get today. Okay, don't keep asking me for special buys.
No ice cream.
No, we'll get ice cream still. This is for breakfast, so the only special thing we're gonna get. Does that make me sound kind of strict? That blueberry muffins or something special? The thing is, muffins just have a lot of sugar in it, so it is very chill in the evening here on a weekday. Normally we hit up Costco in the mornings when it first opens, but I was originally trying to bring, both Bella and Leah, but Bella wasn't having it, so it's just me and Leah.
I miss Bella.
You miss Bella? Me too. One of my favorites, this soup, probably one of the oldest products from Costco that's been around forever. $10 for 2 giant containers of soup. We'll take it. Also, right here, chicken mozzarella ravioli. Always a hit with the kiddos with that Rao's sauce or pesto sauce. Speaking of pesto sauce, this too. Yeah, perfect meal. Pretty good deal. $18 for this chicken Alfredo, which feels kind of frozen. I believe they use the leftover rotisserie chicken in this, which is pretty cool. No waste. Okay, baby, don't. Stay right here, please. All right, so bread. This right here is one of my favorite bread brands when we need to supplement my mom's bread. Naked Organic Minimalist Wheat, $8. And let's see, 3 grams of sugar compared to the Dave's Killer Bread. We get this one, also 2 loaves, just like this one. More expensive, but let's see how much sugar this one has. This one has 4 grams of sugar, probably because of all the nuts and stuff. Why is it not healthy?
Have sugar.
Because I have sugar. Yeah, this girl knows, okay? Which one should I get? You know, I'm gonna go with Dave's Killer Bread, I think. Also organic too. This is the one that JB likes to make sandwiches with. Can you put it right next to you, please? Don't drop it. Thank you. Judy requested tortillas. Hopefully she's okay with these because these are corn tortillas versus the flour ones. Not only is, you know, authentic tortillas made out of corn is better for you, I think. I know, you're bored, baby. Let's go get your ice cream. Okay, no ice cream then.
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy,
Well, you woke up quick.
I want ice cream.
All right. We still need to buy a few things, okay, baby? Sorry. Okay, this is new. Definitely caught her eye. Bungos Choco Mochi. Looks Korean. It's got some Korean writing on it. Oh yeah, Orion. I believe that's a Korean brand.
They were so cute.
It is so cute. $12.69 for this whole box. Maybe next time, we'll see. I will say Korea is really
Yeah.
expanding beyond their borders and really integrating into American food culture. It's pretty cool. Not sure about this. A coconut milk beverage, basically strawberry milk. What's inside of this? A lot of different stuff in there. Is it Bobby approved? I don't think so. I'd say in terms of food channels that Bobby, I forgot what his name is, just know him as the Bobby Costco guy. Probably one of my favorite channels to watch because he always tells you what the good deals are and what the Bobby approved foods are. Basically what's healthy up to his standards, and he's got high standards. What is this? Joy Burst Renew, a premium hydration beverage. Let me know how these taste. It's got vitamins, electrolytes, lion's mane? Wow. Would you like a mushroom juice? Oh, that doesn't sound good. Lion's mane is mushroom, I think, or at least a fungus.
Yeah.
Sandwich meat was on the list. Look at this, this is a popular item. It's organic, Dietz Watson turkey. Comes in a 3-pack right here. This is probably one of the most expensive things we do buy because it's a 19 bucks just for these 3. Highest quality sandwich meat you can get here at Costco, and still a way better deal than, you know, at the grocery store. Do you like turkey sandwiches, baby?
Yeah.
Or do you like ham sandwiches?
I don't want.
How about finger sandwiches? You like finger sandwiches?
Yeah.
Come on, I make you finger sandwiches sometimes.
Suppose.
Lunchables?
Yeah.
When and who
I
buys
get what
you?
suppose we Auntie Mel. Auntie Mel.
Auntie Mel gives you Lunchables? When? At her house?
No.
At the grocery store? At the store?
Yeah. At the grocery store. At Hagen's.
At Hagen's?
Yeah.
Why do kids love Lunchables? Don't you
They're
like?
yummy.
They're yummy?
Those juice and snacks.
Yeah, I think you like the snacks. Whose sandwiches are better, Lunchables or Daddy's sandwiches?
What? Not Daddy. Sorry.
I use a good mayo, the Kewpie mayo, and then I use a good bread.
No.
If they have Lunchables here, should we buy it?
Yeah.
Gotta try out this Kirkland brand ham. We rarely get ham, but the girls have been requesting it. Is this good? What do you think? I can't even remember last time we bought this, if we've even bought it. This whole thing, only $10.49, so definitely you're getting a lot more meat. This car is looking pretty healthy today. Look at this. I just realized the difference. This Capri Sun is 100% juice variety pack, 13 bucks. And this is Capri Sun, cheaper price, same amount of juice, but It's not 100% juice. Okay, good to know. Get that one versus that one. We don't need any more Capri Sun, baby? Do we need more?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Is it probably safe to say we need some?
We need some like that.
I think so. I've been buying you guys the ones that I think has added sugars. This is 0 added sugars. I don't know, let's go for it. Let's try it out. Never know with juice.
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna cook frozen patties on the grill. I'm gonna get these 100% grass-fed beef patties because I asked Juliana what she wanted for dinner or a meal, and she said my smash burgers. And I watched this YouTube channel, Chris Young. He's a chef that actually lives in the Seattle area. He does a whole video about cooking frozen patties on the grill and how it's okay because if it's hot, it'll be perfectly maybe like medium rare in the middle. So I'm going to experiment by making kind of not necessarily smash burgers, but kind of like smash burgers with these frozen patties. I also bought this giant pack of ground pork, only 17 bucks for 5.7 pounds.
Look at ice cream.
Ice cream? Have you been patient, baby?
Yeah,
Oh, you have been, huh?
I did. Now I can.
All right. For those burgers, I'm gonna buy these Fran's brioche hamburger buns. You get 12 of them
Daddy, hold.
for $4.89. I just found something that caught my eye and I know is gonna catch this girl's eye too. Yeah, you're pointing to it because you already know. This? What is this? A Hershey S'more Kit flavor combos. We got the Reese's S'more Kit, we got the Hershey S'more Kit, and we got the Hershey's Caramel. Oh my gosh. Hey, this summer, should we get this, baby?
Yeah.
Temptations. You want that? You like those?
Yeah.
That was a snip snapper right there. Somebody snip snap. Okay, let's go. And we're done, baby. Ready for the ice cream? Or do you want to go to sleep?
Ice cream.
Okay. All right. Once in a lifetime here. Strawberry ice cream, babe? Yeah, strawberry with vanilla. That's how we like it. Pay for the order. Yeah. You need to grab that receipt, baby. What's the number on there? 565, baby.
5, 6, 5.
Yeah, you got to grab it.
Sorry for calling in.
That's all good. Is this what you wanted, baby? All right. Once in a lifetime. Oh my God, that's so good. Can you get one for Daddy too? Oh, it's a little far. Don't drop that on the ground for sure. Right here, baby.
Don't top you.
Or say cheese, baby. My gosh, that is bomb. Is that bomb, baby? That bomb. That was quite the treat, wasn't it? Yeah. You're still hungry? I wasn't talking about the ice cream either. I just really cherish hanging out with my little girls, all of them. Today it was Leah. It was nice treating her out though, because I don't do that very often, so it makes it more special. Hey, give me that receipt real quick. I want to see how much this all cost. $2.65 today. So lots of food, lots of food. This cart is full of food. I didn't really buy any non-food items today.
There you go, sweetie. Have a good night.
Hey, thank you very much. Take care. Yes, the sun's coming out. All right, so I didn't really see any price raises at all today, so I guess tariffs haven't hit us yet, at least at this Costco. Come on, girl.